Latex mattresses are made from the sap of the rubber tree. Latex is also naturally breathable, allowing air to circulate and regulate temperature throughout the night. Its resistance to dust mites, mold, and allergens makes it a clean option for sensitive sleepers. With its durability, comfort, and eco-friendly composition, a latex mattress offers a supportive and long-lasting sleep surface that stays comfortable year after year. All product links are provided in the description. And for more deals, head over to thedetailedguide.com. Number 9. Sleep Easy. Sleep Easy gives you full control over your comfort with its adjustable latex layer system. Each layer can be swapped or rearranged to create the perfect feel, soft, medium, or firm, on either side of the bed. Crafted with natural Dunlop or Talalay latex, plus organic cotton and wool, it delivers breathable support that stays cool and balanced. The modular design allows you to replace individual layers over time, saving you from buying a new mattress entirely. Its buoyant surface relieves pressure points while maintaining strong responsiveness for easy movement. Number 8. Awara Latex Hybrid Mattress. Awara combines organic luxury and affordability, delivering a latex hybrid mattress priced under $1,000. It features GOLS certified Dunlop latex for responsive pressure relief and durable support, paired with individually wrapped coils that encourage airflow and minimize motion transfer. The result is a cool, breathable surface that adapts to all sleeping styles. Wrapped in organic cotton and wool, the cover feels soft, moisture-wicking, and safe for sensitive sleepers. Number 7. WinkBed EcoCloud. The WinkBed EcoCloud is designed to give side sleepers balanced contouring and support where it matters most. Its Talalay latex layer cushions pressure points along the shoulders and hips, while zoned coils beneath maintain spinal alignment. The organic cotton and wool cover enhances breathability, drawing away moisture to keep you cool throughout the night. EcoCloud's medium feel offers plush comfort without letting you sink too deep, ensuring both relaxation and stability. The combination of latex responsiveness and coil reinforcement also provides excellent edge support and motion control. Number 6. Latex Mattress Factory. Luxerion Hybrid. The Luxerion Hybrid by Latex Mattress Factory brings luxury comfort and lasting quality at a reasonable price. It pairs responsive Talalay latex with pocketed coils for a balance of bounce, pressure relief, and stability. The latex gently supports the body's natural curves, while the coils improve breathability and reduce motion transfer. Every mattress is handcrafted with organic cotton and wool for a healthier, cooler sleep environment. Customizable firmness options let you choose your preferred comfort level, making it suitable for multiple sleep styles. The hybrid design allows easy movement without disturbing your partner, while durable materials extend its lifespan. If you're after the comfort and quality of premium latex without overspending. Number 5. Avocado Eco. The Avocado Eco mattress minimizes motion transfer for peaceful, uninterrupted rest. Built with GOLS, certified Dunlop latex and organic wool, it cushions your body while maintaining responsive support. The latex layer absorbs movement quietly, reducing disturbances when your partner shifts or gets up. Its breathable organic cotton cover keeps airflow steady, preventing overheating through the night. Beneath, individually pocketed coils provide balanced support and long-lasting durability. The Avocado Eco carries several sustainability certifications, reflecting a commitment to ethical sourcing and safe production. Its medium firm feel works well for couples and combination sleepers, offering comfort without excessive bounce. Number 4. Nolah Natural. Nolah Natural strikes the perfect balance between soft comfort and supportive firmness. Made from Talalay latex, organic cotton, and wool, it contours smoothly while maintaining strong structure and lift. The latex relieves pressure at the shoulders and hips, while the coil base adds breathability and edge support. This medium firm profile suits back, stomach, and combination sleepers equally well. Each layer is certified organic, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic, creating a cleaner, healthier sleep space. Number 3. Birch Natural Mattress. The Birch Natural Mattress is tailored for sleepers who need cooler, breathable rest. Its Talalay latex layer offers responsive pressure relief, while organic cotton and moisture-wicking wool regulate temperature and airflow. Beneath, individually wrapped coils provide strong, zoned support and minimize motion transfer for shared beds. The result is a balanced feel, soft enough for comfort yet firm enough to stay supportive. GreenGuard Gold and GOTS certifications ensure it's free from harsh chemicals and made with sustainable, traceable materials. The Birch also resists sagging and heat buildup, keeping you fresh throughout the night. For those who sleep hot or prefer organic comfort, it delivers a refreshing blend of responsiveness, durability, and clean construction. Number 2. Zenhaven. Zenhaven by Saatva offers a pure, all-latex experience with natural Talalay construction and dual firmness in one flippable design. Choose between luxury plush or gentle firm simply by flipping the mattress. The latex adapts to your body's shape while maintaining buoyant lift that promotes healthy spinal alignment for all positions. Encased in breathable organic cotton and New Zealand wool, it keeps you cool, fresh, and comfortable. Its natural resistance to allergens and dust mites adds lasting hygiene and durability. With exceptional motion isolation and a responsive feel, Zenhaven balances plushness with support perfectly. Every layer reflects Saatva's eco-conscious craftsmanship and attention to comfort longevity. Ideal for anyone seeking versatility, organic quality, and dependable structure, Zenhaven stands as a premium latex mattress built for years of restful, adaptive sleep. Number 1. Saatva Latex Hybrid. The Saatva Latex Hybrid combines Talalay latex and durable coils to create a mattress that feels both buoyant and supportive. Its organic cotton cover and New Zealand wool layer improve breathability, regulating temperature for a cool, consistent sleep. The latex gently cradles pressure points, while the coil base strengthens edge support and airflow. The result is a balanced, medium-firm feel that fits nearly every sleep position. Each mattress is handcrafted using eco-friendly, non-toxic materials designed for years of reliable use. Motion transfer is minimal, while the responsive surface allows easy movement throughout the night. Saatva's free white glove delivery and sturdy build enhance convenience and comfort. Blending luxury, performance, and sustainability, this hybrid mattress delivers long-term comfort, natural resilience, and refined quality for sleepers seeking the best in organic design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more great product recommendations.